Welcome back to the final episode of Budget Truck Week on the RC Sailors. We thought, hey, we might not be able to pull this off. I don't know if we have enough stuff that falls under about $100, but it turns out we did. Now, there were a couple things that were just barely over $100, but this is well under, believe it or not. Now, there's a couple things to this truck that bend the truth a little bit. By bend the truth, I mean it's not 100% ready to run like everything else you've seen on the channel. This is actually a kit. It comes in about 1,000 pieces or so. So just a heads up there. That might not be for everyone. This being a kit, we had to yank a transmitter and receiver from another little thing we had, and it did come with its own problems too, like that crack there on the frame. We just chose to deal with it. Now, it's got some really cool things too, like the opening and closing hinging doors. That's amazing. The hood.
It even has cup holders.
It does. Doors open and close, very cool. And the hood opens and closes. Not only does the hood open and close, that's where your battery would normally go. But I think Abby
This is my favorite part.
Yeah.
It has a wood bed.
Real wood.
That's actual wood, guys.
Yeah.
Like, you can get a splinter on it.
That came with the kit. That's really cool. I want to see more of that in the more expensive truck world. Come on. Very sleek. Now, this right here, Abby, do you know what that is? It doesn't come with it.
Yeah, the batteries.
That is the battery. That's a large battery that we have. So we just have the wire run up underneath here.
Look at those metal links.
Yeah, it's looking really nice. Now this comes in about 70 bucks, believe it or not. You just gotta like kits, and it's a rough one at that. So normally your battery would go here. Well, enough talk, let's drive. Looks like I've got a bit of a wobbly wheel on the front right. Otherwise, it's running really good. Hey, if the wheel falls off, I've got a spare on the back, right?
Yep.
What a cool looking little truck. We've never had anything that looks quite like this on the channel.
Where is the spare on the back?
You don't see it? Ah, it's hidden underneath. Let's show
What?
Abby. Yeah, we have a spare tire here. Abby can't
Oh,
find
there it is.
Yeah. Just like real life, Abby.
That's cool.
Just like real life.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep running this. I think it looks really good on the road in these pine needles, but since it is four-wheel drive and fully proportional, I kind of want to see how it does off-roading. I've got a really cool little spot in mind, so let's head over and check it out. Okay, here we are. Are we going to be able to make it up this pebble rock here? This little river rock, smooth pebbles, we will find out. I don't have a whole lot of clearance, and these aren't very knobby tires, so we'll see how much dig we actually have. This is more of a scaler than a crawler. I think we just lost our gearing. Oh no, that's okay. Listen, we're slipping. Okay, let's see. It might have just been...
It can't handle that much.
Possibly.
Yeah.
I think we've got our gears misaligned just a hair. It does sound like occasionally a gear is not quite grabbing. So I don't know how much more we'll run it as is. We may have to take this apart a bit and do some repairs on the gearing, but oh, it just looks so cool, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We thought we would end on Budget Truck Week with just a little bit of an unorthodox truck that you normally don't see on our channel. Such a cheap kit. I mean,
it's
really,
definitely a project.
Yeah, this is a winter project, and it made me reminisce so much about being a kid with my little model cars. This is what I did growing up before I got into planes, just model cars. But now you can take a model car, and electric RC has come so far, you can just mod it right up to be an RC, basically. It's amazing. And that's pretty much what they did here in my opinion.
Can I try to drive it?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, you're gonna like this.
Don't forget about me. You always forget about me.
All right, Abby's at the controls.
You can handle the little pebbles.
Oh yeah, it does some small stuff just fine. That incline plus those big rocks, it struggled on.
This is like one of the coolest, cheapest trucks we've ever had.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. Oh man, that's pretty cool, Abby. You gotta, oh no! Of course you would roll it.
Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Hold on, I gotta redeem myself. Let's see. What path should we take? Like maybe try to turn it a little
I thought there's no way you can climb it. Maybe go straight up there to the left.
I lost all my momentum too.
Right, there you go, there you go. That's good. Now left.
Okay.
Go left because it's flattened out there.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. And I don't think you're gonna make it up any higher. Just go down straight. There you go. Yeah, that's victory.
I like that. Look at this over here.
This is a fun little spot, isn't it? Abby and I have been out exploring our local city a lot more.
See, it can't handle, the gearing can't handle anything steep.
Right.
And like the servo, see,
Yeah,
that
it's
one
not
wheel is stuck right now.
super strong electronics that come with it. But it does have some.
There it goes.
Oh, whew, I thought you were gonna roll it again. Oh, of course, that's two.
You jinxed me, Nathan.
No,
Goodness.
no. So that's skill right there. Or lack of. Too bad you're a slow crawler. Not gonna do any ankle biting today. Come on. You rolled it twice.
I love crawling.
It is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
You roll one more time and that truck's mine.
Oh yeah?
That's how it works.
You were pretty much done driving it.
3 strikes, you're
You
out.
were like ending the video.
Well, you kind of made me want to drive it again.
See, that's the thing about RC. You gotta use creativity and you gotta look at what you have in front of you and try to figure out what is it gonna do best. What can it handle?
This is a fun spot for this truck. I knew we couldn't take it to the hill, but it's got its own little hill here. Oh, you almost dug in. You're stuck in the same spot as last time.
Got it. I'm gonna get it.
Oh,
no,
wrong path. Oh, sun's coming out.
Come on, that back wheel.
Oh, you're almost digging in.
Oh, the poor servo. It's struggling. Come on!
Oh, hold on, your driver door. Let's save you here. Driver falling out. And that is 3 strikes, you're out, Abby.
I didn't say.
Oh, I guess you
I didn't stay upside
you're right.
down. You're making up new rules.
You're right. It was close. What do you guys think of this thing? It's a good looking truck, isn't it? I'd like to see it ready to run at this one.
Wouldn't that be crazy if I could get it to the top?
No, you cannot.
Don't tell me I can't do something.
I think an axial would struggle to get up that. It's just so steep and the mulch is loose. You're not going any farther than that. I'd be willing to bet my Creighton on that one. Hey,
your Creighton?
I meant my Creighton. You have an X-Max, remember?
I don't know if we ever decided that. All right, Nathan. I guess I'll let you try.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's fun right there.
Yeah,
though.
okay, so I'm back at the controls. And speaking of other trucks, let's talk about the rest of the vehicles we've seen on Truck Week. Budget Truck Week on the RC-Saylors.
Oh, you got it.
What was your favorite of this entire week, Abby?
Which one was my favorite, Nathan?
I know what my favorite was. So I think my favorite of the week was the white snowmobile truck. Although its performance wasn't amazing, it looked awesome.
You're basing it solely on looks?
It drove pretty well. It's a desert buggy style, so how fast do you need it to go?
If you want to check it out, click this.
Okay, and what was your favorite? I guarantee it wasn't that.
No, it wasn't. My favorite was the FPV car.
Really?
Yes.
The one that was just in this parking lot here?
Yes, just over here. Yeah, that
Wow.
FPV little
You only got to drive it for like 2
buggy
minutes.
car. I don't care, it was fun.
Oh, okay.
I haven't done FPV in a long time. If you've never experienced FPV, I think you would have fun with it. Just have to make sure you have good goggles if you wear glasses, because if your glasses wear those box goggles, I don't think they'll work, right, Nate?
Right.
Your
That's
glass
right.
face. FPV car, white car. We disagree. Who do you agree with, or do you disagree with us?
Did you have another favorite of everything that you've seen on the channel all week?
Leave a comment down there.
Guys, as these credits roll by, these names of awesome people that have helped support the channel amazingly, thank you guys so much. I want you to check out this video that's popping up right about now. That's either my favorite or Abby's favorite video of the entire week. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in that video.
Bye!